how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can disable your Windows Defender if you want to on your Windows 11. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your settings. Now, search for settings and then open it up. And then on the left hand side, you'll need to go to privacy and security. There you'll find Windows security, tap on it, and there go to virus and threat protection and just uh, scroll down and tap on manage settings under virus and threat protection settings, and you'll see real-time protection. Just toggle it off, and that's it. That's how you disable the Windows Defender on your Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.